Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle, a jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch they call it Cyber block, in Japanese Suguru. In today's newspaper on Friday, yes, it's Friday, almost weekend. Friday, September the 29th, 2023. And I've told you earlier, in this newspaper we have also an additional with 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only 4 of them I will solve in the evening. But let me continue with this puzzle, the jigsaw Sudoku. By the way, what's the news of today? Well, I've shown you earlier a student here in Rotterdam in the Netherlands has killed 3 people. His teacher, 43 years old, his neighbor, 39, and her daughter, 14. Well, and yeah, this student is in jail now. He caught by the police, and well, the story I will tell you later on about him. But let me start with this Tectonic. Oh, yeah. All right, jigsaw Sudoku number 7181. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 20 printed digits. Should be an easy one. The hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 20. And it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 by 11. Jigsaw Sudoku, yeah. Alright. Let's get started. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Cannot see any single boxes here. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. No dual boxes here. Triple boxes then. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, I see here triple box, here triple box. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. And the 2 could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the inside box, the box near the middle box, the inside box is always 4 or a 5. Let me mark this, 4 or a 5. Same for here. This box can be a 3 because we have a double 3 there. And that box can be a 3. We have a 3 here. So the only place left for the 3 in this triple box should be here. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2. Let me mark those, 1 and the 2. And when you see a triple box, remember that the inside box, the box near the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. Alright, next question, do we have here quadra boxes? I see here a quadra box contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this quadra box should be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Alright, more quadra boxes. Here a quadra box. These 2 boxes can be 3. Those 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this quadra box should be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Well, not true, because we have a 1 and a 2 here. That means that this box cannot be a 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 there, double 2 there. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 4. Alright. More quadra boxes. Let me check. Nope. And then my next strategy is to look for shapes, for figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Yes, need to recognize. And the first shape, let me see. Yeah, the first shape, I need some paper here. Need more paper here. Okay, we have more paper here to draw the shapes. Yeah, first shape, my first strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize, and the first shape is the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. And that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4 then, okay. Do we have more T shapes in this puzzle? Yeah, here another one. This box. It has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. Alright, next shape, figure, structure or construction. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. And the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes in this puzzle? No, only one. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? It's rotated, the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. Alright, the L shape. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 4 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Alright, these 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Then, let me see. Well. This box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1, so 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3, that box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Alright. Need to think. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Well. This box can be a 1. It's in the same area. Can be a 5. Can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. And cannot be a 4. We have a 4 here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4 then, if it's a 4. But we already have a 4 here. So one digit left should be the 2. Yeah, this box should be a 2. Can it be 1? Can be 3? Can be 5? Can be 4? Well, 4 here. Should be 2. Is connected with that box, should be a 2. Is connected with this box is a 2. And is also connected with that box, should be also a 2. Alright. Then this box can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this T-shaped area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 goes there, and this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes in there. These 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be 5. So the 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other pair in this area are the numbers 1. The 1 is missing. 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Then, yeah, let me think. This box can be 2. This box can be 3. So 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 1. These 3 boxes, so the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. Those 2 boxes can be a 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. Let me think. Come on. This box can be a 1. This box can be a 4. So the 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this L-shaped area for number 5. I've marked those 2 boxes with a double 1. That means that this box can be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 4. And these 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this cross area should be here. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this cross area for number 4. This box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Well, I think this box should be a 1 or 4. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be a 5. Yeah, definitely a 1. Okay. Then this box can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. If I place 2 here, I can fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be 2, and that box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be here. Need a 3 here. Yeah, this box can be a 3 because we have a double 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 in this W area shape should be here. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Let me mark those. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be 3, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this triple box for number 2. Well, 1 and a 2. Well, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 4 and a 5. Okay, 4 and a 5. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. I need to wait here. Okay. 1. Yeah. 2, 2. These 3 boxes around the 2 can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 2 there because we have a double 2 there. If I place the 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. Not the solution, place the 2 there. The only place left with 2 should be there. Same for the 3. I cannot place the 3 here because we need a 3 in one of these 3 boxes. If I place a 3 here, then I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. The only place left with 3 should be here. So I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left with the 3 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 4 and the 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, 4 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 now, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Need a 5 here. 1, 2. Well, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and I've eliminated the 3 here. So the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 goes there. Then I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Well, this box can be a 3, so 3 goes together with 1 as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there, so 1 digit left in this area for numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 2 numbers left for number 5, yeah. Well, these 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for 5 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. Okay. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and 4 goes there. Yeah. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. And it's connected with that box, so here should be also a 1, but it cannot be a 5 here. We have a 2, 3, 4, so it could be a 5, but it cannot be a 5 because if I place a 5 here, then this box is connected with that box should be also a 5, but we already have a 5 here, so I think this number should be the 1 here. We have a 2 here. 1 is connected with that box, should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, 5 goes there. Well, this box can be a 2, that box can be a 2, so 1 box left with a 2 in this area should be there. 2 final numbers for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Well. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes, not faster than 50 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1 star. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll meet again in the evening for the other 4 puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye bye, and have a great and fantastic Friday.